Hello everyone, this is Asad of Europe and Anwar Ferry. Today is Wednesday, June 30th, 2021. So if you didn't know, yesterday at the Ministry of Migration Policy, they called the police. The police took the parts of my banner, without which my banner is completely useless. I can't open it, I can't have it up. So today I'm here at the shop that printed it for me. That's the shop behind me. To see if they have spare parts, like only the bars, or I will have to, place an order to make a new one, a whole new one, which in that case it would cost me about 60 euros or 60 euros. So I will have to go and speak with the guy. I don't know if he agrees. I'm also trying to record the conversation with there inside. Otherwise, I will let you know what happened. Yeah. Right now, this one seems to be closed. No one is inside. It's 1 p.m. Maybe he's out somewhere to eat, perhaps, but I don't know. And there is another one over there. I will go and check with them, and we'll come back here if this guy opens. The guy didn't want to be recorded on the camera. I spoke to him. He said he didn't have the spare parts, but the whole saying the whole mechanism, he called it, cost 15 euros. There is another one that does the same for banners. It's over there, and there is another one somewhere else nearby. I'm going to check with them if they have those the bars alone, like spare part. If I could find it there, otherwise I have to go back and get a new mechanism. So Greenfield was the third shop that I had to check with to see if they had the bars alone as spare parts. They said they didn't have, and I had to get the whole new mechanism, which they said it would cost me 40 euros. The other one also said it would cost me 40 euros. The previous one. I know another shop up, a little up on the same street. I will go and check with them to see what they say. If I could only find the bars. Otherwise I have to go back to the first one and have him to change it for me, because he gave me a better price, I think. So after checking with a lot of several shops, my best option was to get a new banner, a new mechanism, which is here. I paid they gave me different prices: 40 euros, 35 euros, 20 euros, and this one 50 euros. But I think the brands, each one was different, and since I am having this repeated issues with the police and they are breaking it, so I got the cheapest one. They didn't change the graphic for me. This was the price only for the machine. If I wanted them to change the graphic, I would have to pay them like 35 euros, 40 euros. So I don't have this kind of money, but I have to change the graphic myself, which I'm about to do it now, and I'll show you how it's done. I did a little research. I think it's easy, and I don't need special tools. So I'm going to do it now and show it to you. I'll show you also how it's done and see if it works. yesterday the new mechanism, because of removing this key from it before replacing the graphic, it lost tension. I needed the key to place it in the older one to lock it, so I would be able to remove the graphic from the older one and then place it on the new one. And the older one, I didn't have a key for the older one, so I thought I should use the one on the new one, but I didn't know it's going to lose tension if I removed it. But that's what happened. And for restoring the tension to the spring, I needed to open it, basically the mechanism, and I also needed some tools, a screwdriver and another tool. I had to go get it from somewhere else, and by then it was too late already. It was night, and I also saw the opportunity to take a shower and clean up, change clothes, and fixing it wasn't difficult, but only I needed the tools. I didn't have the tools, but I mean I had to go all the extra mile, because first of all, yesterday if I wanted them to change the graphic for me too at the shop, print shop, they would have charged me 35 euros rather than only 15 euros for the mechanism. I don't have that kind of money. I didn't have that kind of money, so I couldn't do that. And as I said, I also did a little research, and I found out that changing the graphic wasn't difficult at all, but this thing happened because of this small mistake, removing the key. So I have my banner here right now. This is the new one, the new mechanism with the graphic, the older graphic. I haven't changed the graphic, and it's okay, it's working now. I'm not going to open it, I mean right now, just you know that it's working, and tomorrow I will have to open it anyway in front of I'm not exactly sure, the Greek Ombudsman or the Amnesty International's office, where I would go. So that was for yesterday's and today's story, and that would be it for this video. Again, I look forward to your kind solidarity and support in whatever way is possible, because now I have to go into the National Library of Greece and publish this video as soon as I can. And please sign my petition, please consider making a donation, and that would be it. Take care, bye.